tiri kuda kuita the multiplication and division of numbers which are in standard form. But kana tikatarisa mu-NGM book 3 tinoona pakanzi use the laws of indices when simplifying powers of 10 that are multiplied or divided. So I am actually between two extremes, if I may. I'm asking myself, Kuti, should I introduce the laws of indices only in part yacho apply to this lesson, or should we go the longer route of starting off by simplifying things and then coming back to the answer? So what I've decided now is to introduce two methods, and I will see by your response kuti better which method. Saka panapa zvatiri kuda kuita ndezvekuti tiri kuda kuita method number 1, conversion. Then our method number 2 inenge iri chi toda kuapply anonzi ma-laws of indices. So when I finish doing this, I want you to pick your poison, determine on your own which of these two methods is easier for you. Then you go with the method which is easier for you. So what we will do first is, let us introduce our example number 1. So this is example number 1. Saka tukutanga ne method number 1, conversions. So tieta panapa ndezvekuti we have 6 times 10 to the power 9 multiplying 8 times 10 to the power 2. Saka panapa chatanga tasimplifya zviri muma-brackets. So totanga tasimplifya 6 times 10 to the power 9. Tozonosimplifya 8 times 10 to the power 2. Saka takatarisa 6 times 10 to the power 9. Tati kana tina 10 to the power 9 ndi 1 nemazero mangani? That's a question. What is 10 to the power 9?
109. So it's going to be...
Yes. The power, it's 1 billion, but you don't have to worry much about these names. Knowing that it's just 1 nemazero 9 is enough. So
Okay.
This is 1 multiplying, then panapa it's 8 times chi, 8 times 100. And
Yeah.
so before we go anywhere, you are beginning to see kuti something amiss is about to happen, because the moment yatinoita nhamba ine mazizero akawandisa, we are increasing the possibility and probability yekuita mistake. So I think you're beginning to feel some form of unease. What is 6 times 1 billion? 6 times 1 billion then. Saka panapa we have 6 billion multiplying 8 times 100.
800.
800. All right. On a piece of paper, I want you to multiply 6 billion times 800. No calculator. Saka endri kuzvita ukunoku. I want you to do the same equal. What answer did you get?
I was still setting up and sharing my opinion.
Mawana chi?
I was still setting up and sharing opinions.
All right. Saka an answer endri kuwana, it's patsanura mazero aya into 3s. Saka iyi inenge iri 1000. Takawedzera panapa yava million. Takawedzera payava billion. Tikawedzera panapa yava trillion. So it's then panapa ya quadrillion. 4 quadrillion 800 billion. No, 800 trillion. That will be the answer. We are together, handiti?
Yeah.
All right. Saka panapa manje, what we do is we have our answer is 48 nemazizero aya. And we want to convert this large number, 4 quadrillion and so forth, into standard form. Saka, we already know the generalized form of the standard form, a times 10 to the power n, where a number is between 1 and 10, like this. And n is it's an element of integers, it's just a whole number. And saka panapa tati kudini kana tichida ku-identifya kana kuti ku-convert a number to standard form. Step number 1, tati we identify the comma. Saka tikatarisa apa tinoona kuti comma yedu iri kwekupedzisira kuno. Are we together there?
Yeah.
Then comma yedu should move in which direction? Iri kubva ku right ichienda ku left here kana tiri kubva ku left ichienda ku right?
Over right and left.
So from right to left. So kuti sign ye yatonyora pamusoro apa i-plus here kana kuti minus?
Plus.
Saka panapa plus. Kureva kuti panapa takuda kuchimuvha. Iri kumuvha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nemhaka yei tagumira pana 12, taregere kuramba tichienda kumberi kana taregere kugumira muroad before 12?
Nekuti A has to be between 1 and 10.
Good. Saka our answer is going to be 4,8 times 10 to the power 1 of, like this. And it. And if you are a skeptic, you can check with the book. That is the answer in my book, Shakari. And it. Are we together?
Yeah.
All right. I want us now to do method in the laws of indices. So this is basically going to be our method number 2. Saka, before we go anywhere, toda kusummarize my laws of indices acho atoda kushandisa. My laws aya anoti kana tina a andika to the power x multiplying a to the power y, this is equal to a to the power x plus y. Saka a ino ish a
Okay.
the EA is the same number. It's called the base. And so if we have two powered numbers multiplying each other, and these numbers are the same, we have the same base. My powers acho ano egg. And so let me bring it home. Kana tina 10 to the power A multiplying 10 to the power B, this is equal to 10 to the power A plus B. Katarisa pano tichaona kuti na 10 na 10 same base. And zviri multiply. But ma 10 aya are raised to certain powers. What it just means is my powers aya, they are going to add each other. That is the rule, that is the law. Any questions there before we progress?
No, it's clear.
It's clear. In like manner, if we have a to the power x dividing a to the power y, and this is equal to a to the power x minus y. A to the power x dividing a to the power y is equal to a to the power x minus y. We have the same base. They are what? Dividing. So kuti the powers are going to subtract each other in this order. What is the order? Yekutanga ndinonyorwa kwekutanga x minus yechitu y. By now we should know kuti addition hainayo basa because of isomorphy, but subtraction ine basa kuti watanga nenamba ipi. 5 minus 2 na 2 minus 5 zvakasiyana, plus 2 plus 3 na 3 plus 2 zvakafanana. We are together there, didn't? Saka in translation, 10 to the power a dividing 10 to the power b inofanirwa equal to chi. I need your answer here. Inofanirwa equal to chi.
10 to the power a minus b.
Bravo. Iyi ndio yatinoti bravo. Very good.
Okay.
Saka iyi ndo mtema yacho iri tu kuda kuapply. So let us now drive it home. Question yedu iri kuti chi. Example 1 iri kuti 6 times 10 power 9 times 8 times 10 power 2. Handozvairi kutaura izvi. Panapa toda kuita sort of all right, let me explain something to you. I want you to listen very carefully. Mathematics as a subject in my branches, it's more like a tree with the branches. Saka my branches are my fields of study are within mathematics. For example, in a field inenge ichinzi algebra. You see? Kunenge kuchiitwa zvana x, y, zvekureplace manamba nemaletters nekudididi. Then tine field inonzi calculus. Kunenge kwakuitwa differentiation, integration, etc. Tine amwe mafields asingadzidzwe ku high school like topology, you see, nonlinear dynamics, etc. Saka what the most relatable definition of mathematics is a study of relationships. Saka in mathematics, it's not like we are studying numbers, because as you progress in mathematics, you discover that at one point you abandon numbers. Kune maths story nama number dzingori nema symbols chete. Saka in mathematics what we do is we study relationships. You understand what I mean? Andile?
Yeah.
So I want to give you a relationship to study. Then I want to take you from that relationship to our question. So what relationship do we want to study? Ngatiti tina 2 times 3 yakadai so, that times 4 times 5 like this. Or what is the answer here? Tikaiweka in this way, ngatiti this is the first method. 2 times 3 ndian?
3 that's 6.
6 and
6.
Then times or 4 times 5 ndian?
20.
20. All right. 6 times 20 ndian? Is okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right. Ngatiti uri munhu anofarira kuarrange zvinhu, you discover kuti 2 inoi even number asi 3 odd number. This okay?
Yeah.
Riteseka apa. Ma-even numbers ma-numbers anodividwa na2 asingasiye remainder, ma-odd numbers ma-numbers asingadividwi na2 asingasiye remainder. Saka 4 ichi even or odd?
Or even number. Even
Yes.
number.
Or 5 ichi
5 odd number.
odd number.
Iordinary.
Saka uyu munhu uyu anofarira kuti kuda kuarrange ma even number pawo ega nema-odd number pawo ega. Handiti? Saka achati shi 2 times 1 like
2
this.
times 5 times 4, I mean. Yeah.
Over t times 3 times 1
3 times 5.
5. Handiti ka? Toda kuona kuti answer yake inobuda iri 120. Ndizvo ka? 2 times 4 ndeyani? Ndi 8.
8.
Ndizvo. Times or 3
Mm.
times 5
15.
15. Let us check kuti 15 times 8 inotipa chii. 8 times 5 40. Handika?
Yeah.
We are together. Then 8 times 1
Mm.
ndeyani? 8 times 1 the 8
8
plus 4 the 12.
12.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Handiri? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Saka multiplication haina basa nemaarrangero ataita manumbers. Hazvina basa kuti wati 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 kana kuti wati 2 times 4 times 3 times 5 kana kuti wati 2 times 5 times 3 times 4. You can try it in your own time. So order does not matter when you are multiplying. You see? So we have tatora M1 ne M2 ta establish a relationship iripo pama numbers aya. We have started taita mathematics. You understand what I mean, Andy? Are we together? Are we together? Are we together?
It is.
All right. Saka let us apply the same panapa. Atiti taona isusu kuti hazvina basa noti arrange sei. Saka zvatakuda kuita toda kuti bracket rekutanga angova manumbers chete. 6 times 1 8 and tovatati times bracket rechi2 toda kuti ave chain ane mapowers. Saka 10 to the power 9 times 10 to the power 2 like this. Are you understanding this stage?
Yeah. The one to this. My numbers per
All
week
right.
and then my powers per week.
Good. 6 times 8 Indian.
I think 48.
6 times 8 the 48. Saka tonyora 48 panapa times. Zvatakuita apa takuda kuapply a law of indices. Law iyi inoti kudini? This law inoti natina 10 to the power a times 10 to the power b iri equal to 10 to the power a plus b. You remember it, and?
Yeah.
Saka what it then means is panapa tinge tana 10 to the power 9 plus 2. This okay. Saka answer yedu the 48 times 10 to the power 9 plus 2 ndiani? 11. Is this the correct answer? And if it is not, I want the reason. Ndiyo here correct answer? Handisi kuti method yataita iri wrong. Bandiri kuti ndo patofanirwa kuperera here kana kuti we should do something else to that to make it correct.
Okay, looking at the question, I think ndo panofanirwa kuperera.
Hapazipo mukoma. Why 48? 48 is number in standard form because a should be between 1 and 10.
Okay.
Answer yedu inofanirwa kupera
Yeah.
as a stand iri in standard form. We are together.
Yeah.
Saka panapa
Yes,
zvatoita
no problem.
ndezvekuti tinogadzira panapa zvatoita ndezvekuti 48 ino ishi toda kuisa kustandard form yakamira yega. Handiti? Saka kuti tiise kustandard form tinodiscover pane koma. Koma yedu iri kunoku since iri whole number. Toona kuti koma yedu inofanirwa kumuvha ichienda kupi? Iri kumuvha ichibva kuright ichienda kuleft here kana kuti iri kubva kuleft ichienda kuright?
Iri kubva kuright ichienda kuleft.
Saka iri kudai so, handiti? Sign inoenda pamusoro apa ichi plus or minus?
It's plus.
Plus. Saka koma yedu iri kumuvha how many? places yekumva 1. Saka it means kuti answer yedu apa inenge iri chi 4,8 times 10 to the power 1 izvoka times 10 to the power 11 ino ishi
11.
saka
Yeah.
kubva papa iyi ingori 48 yatadzisa pasi kufanirwa kunyora times 10 to the power 11 nditi but tiri panapa tina 10 to the power 1 na 10 to the power 11 tiapply futi 10 to the power a times 10 to the power b is equal to 10 to the power a plus b kureva iko kuti answer yedu final answer inenge iri 4,8 times 10 to the power 1 plus 11 which is equal to 4,8 times 10 to the power of like this. Are we together?
Yeah.
So which do you prefer? Inotibuditsira maquadrillion here kana kuti yatinoapply ma-laws of indices?
This one is much better. Laws of indices, yeah.
So ma-laws of indices is much better. That's your concession. All right. Let us do our next example. Takuenda pa example 7, but here ngere example 2. The question yedu iyo. Do we understand kana kuti chinonzi buy? Zoreve kuti buy. All right. Vakatotsanangurwa. I-division. Saka kana dei yangoya isina kunyora wedhiri yakangoti 6 times 10 to the power 3 by 8 times 10 to the power minus 2. Zvinotongoreva kuti tidivide. Handiti?
Yeah.
All right. So let us answer our question. So question yedu yakati 6 brackets times 10 power 3 dividing 8 times 10 power minus 2. I want to give you two questions. I want you to tell me the answer. Question number 1. What is 4 dividing 2? Question number 2. What is 2 dividing 4? Yokutanga, 4 divided by 2 answer ndiyani?
The 2.
Okay? 2 divided by 4 answer ndiyani?
Is 0,5.
That is good. So zvaitika apa ndezvekuti 4 divided by 2 zvinoreva kuti 4 over 2 into 2 1 into 4 ndi 2 unotanza ndiyani? Ndi 2 ndizvoka zvaitika apa ndezvekuti 2 divided by 4 zvoreva kuti 2 over 4 2 into 2 1 2 into 4 ndi 2 unovati apa ndi half yatinogona kunyora yakati 0,5 ndizvo.
Yeah.
Handiti tinogona kuinyora yakati 0,5 nekuti aya ma-tens saka inenge iri 5 over 10 5 into 5 1 5 into 10 ndi 2 kana kuti inodzokera pana half ndizvoka izvo. We are together. Saka ndemakaenda ndikupa zvima-examples izvo. I will tell you in a moment. Zvandazviitira ndezvekuti muone kuti inonyorwa kwekutanga yonoenda kumusoro, inonyorwa pechi2 yonoenda pazasi, kureva kuti this will be equal to 6 times 10 to the power 3 over 3 times 10 to the power minus 2 like this. Handiti?
Right.
Tadaro manje takuda kuchiseparata zvinhu zvedu. Tinozviseparata sei? Takudai so. Takuda kutora ma-numbers odivide pawo ega. Tomanyora takati 6 over 3 like this. Doti times. Totora ane ma-powers 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 power minus 2 like this. And so I need confirmation at every stage with Manzusis. You see?
Already.
Yeah. Saka, are we together by stage?
Yeah, it is.
All right, that's good. Saka panapa manje takutsvaka a common factor inopinda muna 6 inopinda muna 8. 2 into 6 ndiani common factor ndakuda kumberi ndatotaura ndiani saka 26 ndiani ndi3 ka
3.
4 into 8 ndiani
into 8 into 4.
saka kuno kutatoa nani 3 over 4 andi times panapa takuda kuita rearrange tinoinyora iri 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 2 like this. You see? This transition, it's clear. This transition, is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear because 10 to the power 3 ndio anganguri kutanga.
Good. So tadai so much. Takuti panapa takuda kuapply a law of this. Law E not good in. 10 to the power A divided by 10 to the power B is equal to 10 to the power A minus B. And
yeah.
3 over 4 in decimal form G. 3 over 4 in decimal form G. 3/4.
Okay.
All right. I want to try. Kala inooneka here is. All right. So you have to know this. You have to know kuti half in decimal form is 0.5. And then 1/4 in decimal form then 0.25. And it 3/4 in decimal form 0.75. And it so kungoitika apa ndezvekuti tinotanga ne1/4 toenda pa1/2 toenda pa3/4. 1/4 0.25, 1/2 0.5, then 3/4 0.75. Tinomawana sei manumbers aya? Tinomawana by division. So in our previous lesson, tamboita the division of fractions. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 1, 0, comma, that's like a placeholder. 4 into 10, then 4, 8, 2. And remainder 2. And 2 E shares a placeholder kumberi kwayo. 4 into 20 then 5. Saka ish. Azona.
Yeah.
2 into 2, 1. 2 into 1, 0, comma, there's a placeholder. 2 into 10, 5. So on kwa futi. Zoga.
Yeah.
4 into 4, the 1. 4 into 3, 0, comma, there's a placeholder 3. 4 into 30 is 7. Because chat 7, 14, 21, 28. Remainder 2, there's a 0 kumberi. 4 into 20, 5. This guys. So I hope you now see why panapa tichifangwa kunyora takati 0.75. I convert 3/4 into a decimal. We are together there. Are we together? Times panapa ichaita 10 to the power 3 minus 2. Are we together here? Because the 3 inofanga kusubtracta power iri kunuku. Saka 3 iri kusubtracta minus 2. Ngati 3 minus 2. And ndo saka ndaisa minus 2 muma brackets to show the difference between my minus ayari 2. E minus E yekutanga iyi irikubva pamutemo the law. E minus H2 iyi is sign ya B. Yatiri kuti B this one. I hope you understood zvaitika. Okay. Saka panapa takuti 0.75 times 10 to the power 3. Kakati kana ma-minus achisangana anochinja kuti achiikara zviya
Positive sign.
minus kana saka i3 plus 2 panapa kureva kuti tina 0.75 times 10 to the power 5. Is this our final answer? Is that our final answer?
No, because our
Now,
A has to be between 1 and 10.
so what do we have to do?
We have to move the comma from left to right, which is
Good.
going to give us 7.5. The answer being minus.
So it's 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 1. This okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Times 10 to the power 5. But panapa tichaplaya futi 10 to the power e times 10 to the power b should equal to 10 to the power 1.
Equal to 10 to the power A plus B.
You see ka? So our final answer is going to be 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 7.5 times 10 to the power. What is minus 1 plus 5? What is
1
minus 1 plus 5?
Minus 4.
Minus 1 plus 5. When the signs are different, you subtract. When the signs are different, you subtract. When the signs are different, you subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. You subtract normally.
Okay,
5
yeah.
minus 1, d4. Saka answer ndiani?
Before.
Before answer. Why? Because remember takati tina minus 1 plus 5. Panapa we said we can rearrange if we keep the original signs. Ndova kuti 5 minus 1 is zvakafanana izvo. You see? So this is going to be our final answer. 7.5 times 10 to the power 4. Any questions?
No.
All right. Let us do our final and last example. Then I give you a short exercise of practice questions. No question yatinayo yomkoma. So I'm going to help you with this. Then you do the exercise on your own. So kuti, if you look at example number 1, you will notice panapa na 1.4 times 10 to the power minus 5 times 2.4 times 10 power 6. So tinoita apa, we can rearrange since pano pana times. Are you noticing kuti kana paina times tinogona kurearrange, asi kana paina divide tina kurearrange? Mazviona?
Yeah.
I want you to take note there. Saka pana painenge iri 1.4 times 2.4 that times panapa nogona kutako 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power minus 5. Zvinokuipa kesho?
Yeah.
All right. Because zvinabasa kuti wati 3 times 2 kana kuti wati 2 times 3 zvakafanana. And good. I want you to multiply 1.4 times 2.4. Toone tosvika pasame answer. What was your answer? 3.
Okay.
Better tese. All right.
Yeah.
1.4 times 2.4. Tinotanga taisa placeholder pano 0. 32 times 4 the 8. 2 times 1 the 2. Then also yakune 24 times 4 the 16 carry 1. 4 times 1 the 4 plus 1 the 5. Manamba maira wakama 8. 0 plus 6 the 6. 8 plus 5 chati 8 9 10 11 12 13 the 3 carry 1. 2 plus 1 the 3. then toverenga manumber of decimal places ari muquestion for e1 2 kurati panapa tichatanga furthest right .1 2 pesa comma 3,36. Did you see how we got it? Okay, saka panapa zvoreva kuti kuno kutawana 3,36 and times panapa pachashanda law of indices inge iri 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5. Any questions here? Kuti ndashandisa law ipi uye zvafamba sei kana kuti takutonzwisisa?
Yeah, I understand.
Kureva kuti it's 3,36 times 10 to the power takati kana plus na minus zikasangana zvinoti tachii kana zviya
Minus negative.
Saka 6 minus 5 and?
Minus 5, yeah.
Right panapa tina 3,36 times 10 to the power 1. Ndizo. Do you verify na one side? Why are you saying if I know answer?
Yeah. Negative A is definitely between 1 and 10. And then looking at our power, it has got the sign of the bigger number because 6 will on a positive sign.
All right. So the 3.36 is between 1 and 10. I actually, that was the answer I was looking for. So this is our final answer. Do you have questions pertaining the multiplication and division of standardized numbers or numbers in standard form? Do you have questions?
I don't know. Maybe if we could do another example here, division.
All right. Another example of division, which I want to exercise. Another example of division, which I want to exercise. But I assure you, kuti mukadzokorodza example number 2, before you answer the homework, if you repeat example number 2, you will actually see it's easy. But ingori nawe kuti taita 2 examples multiplication ne1 division, saka there is a deficiency there, but don't worry. Saka exercise yatiri kuita exercise 1D, ndokuda kuti muite number 1, ndokuda kuti muite number 2, ndokuda kuti muite number 5, ndokuda kuti muite number 8, ndokuda kuti muite number 24. Then ndokuda kuti muwedzere 2 dzamunongoda from list rese 1 multiplication, 1 division. So you actually write number yacho. For multiplication, I choose a number, for division, I choose a number. So all in all, it's 7 questions. Did you understand? So it's number 1, number 2, number 5, number 8, and number 24, 1 plus 2 of your choice. 1 year multiplication, 1 year division. Okay. Thank you for your attendance to this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments section. If you need tutoring and extra lessons, you can contact me on the following number. You'll be contacting me on WhatsApp. It's +263 71046 9150. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance and take care.